Diamond for Diamond Shine Soap. Guys, I'm so excited to see you today. Today I'll be going back to the basics, but before we talk about what we're going to be doing today, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about what I do during the week. During the week I have one-on-one coaching sessions, and inside the description box you will find a link in the description box that have all of my classes. That means that you can go online any time of the day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and you can go and click on the link and you can watch a video and it will give you a full-blown tutorial with the wick size and everything, the wax. I mean, everything is included in those videos. Everything on my website is normally like just pre-recorded, but some of them are classes, and the ones that are classes, it will have a date like when you can be able to join that class. So anything on there is pre-recorded, and if it has a date next to it, then it's, you know, it's an actual class. Okay, all right, so let's go on to something else now. One-on-one coaching sessions is for candle makers just like you. It does not matter where you are. You could be advanced, you could be just needing some help, you could be just screaming out, someone please call 911. That could be you. You could be calling 911 because you do not know what to do with those wicks. You do not know what to do with that candle jar. You are just so confused. You don't know what size, what kind of wax you need. I mean, listen, you just all over the place. So that's where you need to be. Tailor-made, designed specifically for you. No clipboard. We just come on there and we just talk about everything that you need and get you started on your candle making journey. All right, so look, without further ado, let's talk about this wonderful, cool summer candle that we're about to embark on. This candle is so cool. I'm going to be using these watermelon embeds, and I got them from now I'm going to put the link in the description box. My dearest friend, she does embeds and she does a phenomenal job. They are very strong. Listen, I refuse to promote anything that's not like this. This is excellent quality. I love it. She ships pretty quick. I love her shipping. She's on Etsy as well, and I mean, I can't ask for a better person to make my embed. So this is really like a watermelon candy smell, and they're really strong. I don't have the kind of energy to sit back and put watermelon seeds inside my embeds. That's why you don't see me with that class on my website, guys. Because I'm not doing it. Okay? I'm just going to buy it from her. And also, I had some lemons from her that I had previously bought. Let me show you guys the watermelons because I'm standing so far away from the camera. Oh my God, they're so cute, right? They're just so cute. They're so cute. But okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the lemons. The lemons are really cool. I love them. I love them. Now, the wonderful thing about her embeds is they're already strong. You don't have to do anything. I mean, listen, sometimes they'll get caught in my wick and it will give me the hot throw, okay? Now, the good thing about it is I taught her everything she knows, okay? She owe it all to me. I taught her everything, okay? All right. So we're going to be needing a straw. You're going to need a straw, and you can get these straws from Dollar Tree. Now, listen, don't ask me no questions. Now y'all already know y'all can't burn no paper straw, so don't even get in the comments. Don't do it. Anyway, these are some little umbrellas that you can get from Dollar Tree. They did not sell these before, but I just found so much cool stuff at Dollar Tree that I'm like, oh my God, Becky, this is cool. All right, so this is just some little umbrellas or whatever you put inside your summer drinks, because you know, this just might suit you better than a straw. You might like that a little bit better. And I got some toothpicks just in case I want to kind of jab something in there, but I probably won't. But either way around, you know, you can get some cool toothpicks from there too, okay? All right, so you're going to need a Puebla, whatever it's called. Mexico, that part of Mexico, y'all know what I'm talking about, tumbler. And we got these from Candle Science. And if you do need to get the wick size and everything like that, the gel, the whole recipe for this whole entire video, you can go on my website. Click the link in the description box. Normally I will have a PDF, okay, so you can click it and it will give you step by step on how to do it. I probably end up plugging another video into that PDF, and that way you guys can learn how to make a gel candle. That way I won't just kind of leave you out with the temperatures and stuff like that, but pretty much the whole tutorial will be inside that link, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. Okay, so now what we could go ahead and do is we could go ahead and cut the wick like right here. And We can add a straw to it. So I'm going to go ahead and see how I'm going to add this straw, because I really don't want to mess nothing up. But I see an opening right here. I can add the straw in here. Okay, just kind of wiggle it in there, because I might have to add a little bit more gel right there. Just in that little opening, I want to add some gel. But, you know, as far as I'm concerned, we are done. I'm just going to add a little bit of gel to this opening right here just to close it up, because it's like a hole. Okay. Alright. I'm going to have to clean that up just a little bit. Gel is the easiest thing to clean up. If you all know that, you know. Gel is so easy to clean up. But I wanted to kind of angle the straw to kind of go in there. But because of the way the gel is, I don't want to mess up the design by kind of like lifting everything up just to get the straw in there. So we just had to leave it the way it is. And it's beautiful just like that. Okay, guys, this is it. This is our beautiful gel candle. We call this the watermelon lemonade. It is so cool. Yes, I love it. Looks so beautiful. I'm just turning it around so you guys can see it. Need to clean it up. That's what I'm about to do. I'm about to go and clean it up and take some beautiful pictures of it. Yes, watermelon lemonade. I love it. All right.